Hey everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with a brand new, well, not a brand new, I am here with a project. So a few months ago I had done this folio out of the gray artisan cardstock, and I did the tutorial without any matting. It was just the base itself and like how to put it together. And it's been sitting here for all these months. And I've gotten several different collections that I've pulled out and I've looked at and gone, no, not quite, and put it back. And this has been going on and on for months. And when I got the Bella Blvd Just Because, I went, you know what? I think this is the one. So I ended up matting the folio with it. I love that page. I can't even tell you how much I love that pattern. Anyway, so this is 8.5 by 10.5. It has a 1.5 inch spine. On the front, I did a large infinity shaker. I didn't record how to do that. I should have. Basically, you don't want the normal weight acetate. You want like a lighter weight, like transparencies. And then you just score it, fold it around your paper, attach it, and you're good to go. Anyway, I added one of the Bella Pops on the front, pieces from the word ephemera, and then the normal ephemera. When you open it up, I've got words from the word ephemera, the normal ephemera up here on the front. On this side, it opens up. You've got a big picture there. This flips down, and then out and about. Pockets there. Just two photo flips there. More space for pictures. This one actually opens up like so, and then there's a belly band and a belly band. I didn't do inserts for this because I wasn't entirely sure if I wanted to do inserts at this point. I might actually end up giving this one away, in which case I will put my leftover papers and things with it, and whoever gets it can add their own inserts. On this side, it flips up and down, and you've got stacked pockets here. Got plenty of picture space in here. This is actually an accordion pocket right there, so you've got lots of space for stuff in there. And then more picture space there. And then over here, we do have a pocket back here, but on top of that pocket is a push waterfall. So, yeah, so this one tutorial is already done. I will link it in the description below, and there you go. That is my little Bella Blvd Just Because folio. Thanks for watching. Bye.